Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
A is for apples, red and sweet. B is for bunnies with hopping feet. C is for cars that zoom and go. D is for dogs that bark hello. E is for elephants, big and gray. F is for frogs that leap and play. G is for grapes, purple and round. H is for horses that gallop and bound. I is for igloos, cold and white. J is for jelly that's sweet and bright. K is for kites that fly up high. L is for ladybugs buzzing by. M is for monkeys who swing in trees. N is for nests for birds and bees. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for penguins, cute as can be. Q is for quilts, cozy and warm. R is for rainbows after the storm. S is for stars that shine at night. T is for trains chugging left and right. U is for umbrellas on rainy days. V is for violets and purple arrays. W is for whales, big and blue. X is for xylophones playing for you. Y is for yo-yos that spin around. Z is for zebras with stripes they found. ABC, come sing with me. U is for yo-yos that spin around. Z is for zebras with stripes they found. ABC, come sing